If you want to talk seriously with a boy, you sit next to him. You talk to him side to side. If you want to have a serious conversation with a girl, you talk face to face. Girls interact in confrontation, and men can't do the confrontation. So men interact about something, and women interact about each other. It's in our nature. Men face to face means conflict. Why do you think men look at your breasts, your eyes? Not really looking at boobs. They're actually looking at your collarbones mostly, because they can still see your mouth. They can read your mouth. Collarbones. They're not actually looking at your breasts. They're looking at this spot here. You know, hang a little pendant with a diamond there. You got him like pegged exactly where he's going to be looking. Like, hey, eyes up here. It's because women love the confrontation, and men get adrenaline rushes. They want to fight. They want to punch someone.
Check the link in the first comment to get the Intentional Relationship course for free.